Hey guys, we are back again with another video and this server is Kaj Taco Haze Me Gusta. Let's get going
Let's
with the
go.
video.
We are excited, guys.
Oh,
Oh
what are
my
those engravings?
God.
Kaj, okay, they're just
Are they in a
Kaj.
beach? Fake beach.
Fake beach, yeah.
Love this.
Oh,
I have to say they are wearing so many good clothes.
all of them are so same. It's like
Yeah.
it's like the twin sisters or twin brothers or twin brother sister or whatever. When twins
Yeah.
when twins do get clothes, it's like same things.
Same.
Same clothes, same,
Yeah,
everything
same thing
and
and
that's quite
similar.
honestly not okay. Sometimes we just want different things,
I know, but they are doing for this music video. Let's
but this
watch.
time it is their own choices, so
Yeah.
okay, I like it.
Ooh.
Oh. Oh, what is that? What
I
is
don't
that?
know. Is this air fryer or something?
No, not air fryer. Air fryer doesn't look like that.
I don't know what just happened, guys. This is so cool to watch them. They're wearing half pants and same
It's
white
like
shirt.
shorts. It's
Yeah,
literally
it's
like shorts
and that's it.
and
They are
a
killing
couch.
it.
And a couch. They always give us
So
unexpected
funny.
things, you know. Oh, that couch is moving forward.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Nice touch. Was that?
I don't know.
Oh God, I want some chips too.
Me too.
Oh, tacos.
Tortillas.
Tortillas.
Or-
it's
or
not
this
tortilla. It's tortilla.
Tortilla. Okay, all the Spanish food.
Yeah.
Or Mexican. Sorry, my Mexican
sorry,
food.
Mexican food, not Spanish.
I like tacos, tortillas.
Tortilla.
Mamma mia. Is it same
No.
kind of? Oh, my bad, guys.
Mamma mias are for pizzas.
Oh, mamma mia for
Are
pizza.
for pizzas,
Okay,
and it's different. It's tacos and
tacos.
tortilla.
Tortilla. Okay.
Yeah. And they're in a road.
Yeah. It's so funny, man.
Why there are those candles? Little candles?
Yeah, it's not road. I think it's studio.
Yeah, it's a studio, but then again they just
Man,
try
this studio
to
is so
replicate.
big.
It's not.
Or is this just?
It's just an illusion
illusion
that they made. Yeah.
Looks so good.
Oh, they are making tacos.
Yeah.
They are making. Where are the avocados?
Look at the expression.
Where is the another person? Where did he go?
I think he's probably recording the video.
Oh, nice.
What? They're moving. How? Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Those are the thing in 2019, I think.
Yeah. Nice.
I think. My bad, guys. I
Yeah,
think
that was loading.
it's our, in our country, they play dandiya like this.
Yeah,
It's called
yeah,
dandiya
they do.
thing,
They do, they
It's
do.
a ritual kind of.
It's
Or festival.
it's
I think.
of Gujarati.
Gujarati.
Yeah,
Do that.
but a lot of people.
Guys, we are from India, so we are representing our culture also. Tortillas.
Oh, piñata.
It's all about the foods.
It's not food.
I'm
it's-
hungry.
Those things are piñatas. Inside that whole, it's made of paper and cardboard.
Okay.
Okay, and inside that there will be
Candies.
candies and
Candies for
everything.
children.
Yeah.
And they used to break it and make it.
You're supposed to break it blindfolded and then you collect those and it's fun. It's just
Fun.
like piñatas are used in birthdays or celebrations like this kind of
Okay.
things, you know.
Got it. Taco head.
Oh, salsa is it?
So romantic, guys. Love it.
Ah!
Ooh,
Gusta.
this is good.
There he comes. I love the golden blazer, golden
Yeah.
suit and everything.
Looks like
It's like
he's a
premium.
gangster or something.
It's like it's literally like the thing, you know, when you order a cheeseburger from a local restaurant versus when you order a cheeseburger from a
That's
five-star
so funny.
restaurant. It's just same. They will just give you some gold plating things like
Yeah,
that.
they do that.
They do that.
They
It's
do
real.
that. And it's so expensive, you know.
It looks expensive. It's
And
like
also, I have to
premium.
say
And
that-
it doesn't taste anything.
Yeah.
Those shits don't have any extra taste or anything. It doesn't do you anything. It doesn't change the whole
I
flavor
have to say,
profile.
go for Domino's.
anything.
If you have Domino's in India, we used to
Yeah, Domino's in
bring
India
pizza
is good,
home
really.
and we eat it. That's it.
Well, they're talking about tacos. no?
Okay.
We are going from different to different.
We don't.
And if you like Indian food, honestly, you should try. If you haven't tried, you should try. Actually, it's really good.
it's not
more
only guys. It's not only the chicken tikka masala and
or butter chicken. It's much more than
much
that.
more than that.
There are a lot of things that
There
you
is
can
curry. There is biryani.
try. Biryani, a lot of people knows about
Knows
biryani
about
nowadays,
biryani, yeah.
and they just
You don't have to use a fork or something. You have to use your own hand to eat it.
just it's the flavor profile is kind of
Yeah.
very similar to.
And also, I have to say, many of the food blogger in Western country and all, they used to just eat different way of all of Indian foods, but they don't mix it up. Like
You're
I have to say,
supposed to.
supposed
Like,
to mix it up
when
the
you are-
curry with the rice, and then you have to eat it
Like naan and rice are different.
different.
When you are having naan, have it with the have it with the curry,
Chicken,
chicken curry,
chicken
mutton
tikka-
curry, whatever.
chicken tikka masala.
Or whatever the curry you
Dip
are
it
having,
and
dip it,
eat
eat it. And if you are having rice, eat it separately without the naan and
Rice,
don't mix
smoked-
don't mix fibers
Yeah.
with your carbs and everything. Like okay, fine, I get it, but don't mix rice with naan or
Naan.
rotis, kind of
Rotis.
like that. Don't put rice on your roti and then eating it. It's
Ew,
really
it's
not okay.
disgusting.
It's really not okay.
Let's try.
Anyhow, we are moving forward to this.
Oh.
That car is for children, literally. That's for children to play around with.
He's using it for some fun.
But he looks premium.
Yeah. Yeah.
I love their color contrast. He got they got a blazer with half.
T-shirt. Half shirt.
It's
It's
funny.
man. They are good.
Who
They are
would-
creative actually.
They are creative. They are pinata cycle. Oh my god,
That's hilarious.
that's really funny, hilarious, man. Oh.
Ooh.
Those are Chinese
Yeah,
lanterns.
Chinese lanterns.
And the barrels.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh my god. Hey.
oh, there's left.
This is
There
that's
a
it.
lot of things are left.
Okay.
Okay. Now, how they made it?
Love it.
It's on the road.
It's on the road.
It's probably on the road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But how they started
I
it
don't know.
feels like some kind of, you know. Love this, man. What a
Wow.
music
Their
video.
humor is different kind of humor
Yeah.
that we haven't seen a lot
Yeah.
in singing genre, honestly. So I kind of having like they have grown in my mind.
Yeah,
They are
love
growing
it.
on me. They are growing more and more on me, seriously, at this point. I love their videos. I love how they make it so funny. Seriously, this is amazing.
This is amazing, man.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. If you're still watching, to like, to share, and also to subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Until then, you can watch our other videos in the channel. Until then, bye bye.
Bye bye.